DJ, and I am here to give a demonstration on the circuit configuration of BubbleBot. I will begin by explaining the algorithm of this bot. The algorithm for BubbleBot is after a vehicle enters the reconditioning bay, the vehicle will first be sprayed by Rinsabot, which is another one of our robots. BubbleBot will wait for Rinsabot to finish its complete cycle before BubbleBot begins its cleaning process. The bot will once the bot determines that Rinsabot has finished, it will begin at the left front of the vehicle, and the loop will begin commanding the pump on and spraying the vehicle. The bot will perform 2 full rotations around the vehicle and return to its base. After returning to base, the BubbleBot will enter a standby mode until it detects that Rinsabot has performed another cycle. BubbleBot is controlled by the Arduino and moves using the 2 DC motors that you see here, which I have titled Drive Motor 1 and Drive Motor 2. Those are independently controlled to allow for left and right motion, forward and reverse. There's a third DC motor over here, which as you can see I have labeled Soap Pump. That is the pump that the Arduino will command on to disperse soapy water across the vehicle as part of the vehicle reconditioning process. The soap pump does stay active at all times that the BubbleBot is in motion, as the BubbleBot will be spraying the vehicle with soap at any time that it is in motion. The soap pump the drive motors will command on when there's no obstacle detected within 24 inches of the collision center, and if there is an object detected, the motors will redirect the bot and ensure that a collision does not occur. Now taking a look over here at the code, I will scroll through this so that you can see the code that I have created for the BubbleBot. This controls the delays, the pin definitions, as well as the controlling the speed for the motors. And then taking a look at the simulation, we will begin that. And as you can see here, we do have the pump motor up here, which is running in the forward motion. Oops. And then if we take a look down here, these motors are also running both in the forward direction, and that is because our ultrasonic sensor here is above 24 inches. Now if we move this back down here so that it is underneath 24 inches and we zoom in, these motors do stop, but the pump motor does still stay active. Now taking a look, if we open up the code and open up the serial monitor, but make this a little bit smaller, can make the serial monitor a little bigger here so we can see the distance sensor values as I move forward. As you can see, they go up as the distance changes. Now stopping the simulation. That is all for BubbleBot at this time. Thank you.